I know that feeling of looking hours and hours for more vaults, more APY opportunities, not finding new protocols, not knowing what to do with a 5% APY on USDC. So I got you covered. This is what you need. I knew that feeling as well, and that's why we have built Lince Gel Tracker. And basically, it's an aggregator where you can find all data of all vaults within Solana. We have data from more than 200 vaults in Solana, from all kind of categories, from all kind of underlying assets, all here wrapped for you. So I wanna get you through the product really fast, because in the end it's about you getting into it and exploring what interests you the most. But basically you have the list of vaults ordered by APY, you can order them by TVL as well, and you can filter by category. In this case, each vault have several categories based on what they do, which kind of yields they generate, how the yield is generated, so you can actually understand more. You have more filters here that you can filter everything, all underlying assets, all categories, and even filter by protocol. So for example, if we want to see only Jupiter vaults, we will filter Jupiter here, and here we have all the Jupiter vaults, and we can even filter through them because Jupiter has a lot of things. Once we want to go deep on a certain vault, even we have here the APY history, we can open it, for example, GLP, and we have the TVL of that concrete vault over time and the APY over time over it. In this case, GLP doesn't change that much because it has the same APY for a week, and then it changes. We also have a description, a really short description that can make us understand in a glance how a thing works, and all the relevant links that will teach us more about the vault whenever we need to learn about it. Then we can find other similar vaults. For example, in this case, we have Jupiter, which is an LP token of a perps, in this case of the perps of Jupiter. And here we have other things related, for example, FLP1, which is another perps LP position, in this case from the flash trade protocol, with its own characteristics and so on, so you can research on it. So I got the tool for you. Now it's your time to actually go deep, save those hours for sure, but also find new opportunities that you didn't know just by filtering and go deep here to make that APY that you are getting go up. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.